Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s minus number 1 because we have s, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left and we have u plus 1 equals to s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. Now we simplify number 1 for the both sides. S minus number 1 we change by u. S we change by u plus 1. The s we change by the u. So 1 minus number 3 we have negative number 2. So u divided by u square, number 2 divided by this one, and we have like this. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have number 2 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.